Sometimes the loudest thing in the room is the silence you finally chose. When I look in my mind's eye and realize the pleasure that can be attained and sustained, I take time to consult my soul to build the dream and break the mold. As dreams are composed and thoughts unfold, I spare a vibe for those without food and clothes, but take pleasure in belief that I can make a difference to an everyday existence with action that's consistent. Oh, there's a special pleasure that I get from solitude. Whether at the park or alone in my room, feel alive in my vibe. I'm about that life. The world is calling, but I think I'll stay for a while. In the depths of the mind, I can find a safe haven as life keeps changing. I'm free like a mason, a graceful butterfly. I can spread my wings, soar in the wind to see what life has to bring. Cruising down the highway of life's great moments. Have to find a way to seek my atonement. Glide slow, journey swift, a gift and the courage still finding my place in this vast universe. There's a special pleasure that I get from solitude. Oh, yeah. Whether at the park or alone in my room, feel alive in my vibe. I'm about that life. The world is calling, but I think I'll stay for a while. We all need that space to grow and find our way. You need no one to tell you how to spend the day. If you just reach deeper, you'll find your flow. Uncover that magic so you will know. There's a special pleasure that I get from solitude. Whether at the park or alone in my room, feel alive in my vibe. I'm about that life. The world is calling, but I think I'll stay for a while. Stay for a while. Stay for a while. Stay for a while. Wow. Yeah. The world is calling, but I think I'll stay. Stay for a while. Stay for a while.